we wanted to clear our greeneries, our forests, and build big tower and building. So here is an example. Look at the paddy field. It's very green and it will be greener day after day. So look at the other side of this railroad. This is a brick lane, or you can say this is a brick field and brick lane. So this establishment actually helps to build tower and big buildings in town and cities. So this actually takes away our greenery. But I mean, do we, turn our face away from this? Not at all. And we will not until we finish ourselves. Stay blessed, happy, keep learning, keep watching my channel and page, 7 Minute Learning. Assalamu alaikum.